Hi, my name is Jin from Exa Networks. Every year, people spend more than 12 billion US dollar on roaming service and increasing too. Everybody know roaming service and people also know it is expensive, too expensive. Nevertheless, most of case, sound quality is worse than domestic call. This is unavoidable. So, people are trying to find a alternative way to save money. They use internet messenger service which support voice call like WhatsApp, FaceTime, KakaoTalk, WeChat, Line, and so on. They also use internet phone service like Skype. Maybe they can subscribe to a less expensive international roaming service. But these services have some to be desired. Most of internet messenger provide call only between subscribers. Skype is cheaper than roaming service, but user cannot using their own mobile phone number. To overcome these weak points, we start never roam service, which means never roaming anymore. Simply, we do hosting users USIM. USIM is Universal Subscriber Identification Module. Every mobile phone has its own USIM and mobile phone number is assigned to this USIM, not a mobile phone itself. When you register our service, we host your USIM at our local facilities. Then you can send and receive phone call and text with domestic call rate from anywhere in the world. Of course, you need to pay low fixed USIM hosting fee to us. What is different from the Skype number? The biggest difference is our subscriber use their own mobile phone number to make and receive call both sides. Skype number work only for receive call. Internet messengers not related with the telephony system. They just adopted VoIP technology to their service. Technically, they are located in different industries. We want to cooperate rather than compete with them. Obviously, the US has great service called Google Voice. It can make forwarding your call to any phone number. People used to using phone number from Google Voice for their primary number, but it is available only in the US. According to our research, most of American people doesn't have any obsession to their mobile phone number because they can forward their home, office, mobile number to any number they choose. And most of case, forwarding fee is free of charge. But Asian, like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, they consider mobile phone number connected to their personal identity. Especially in case of Korea, many kind of online public service, include the online banking, use mobile phone number for self-verification and name verification purpose. So mobile phone number is matter for them. We offer two kinds of value proposition to our customers. First, they don't need to pay expensive roaming bill anymore. They only need to pay low fixed USIM hosting fee, that's all. Secondly, they can use their own mobile phone number, not random or any given number from service provider. Maybe some people can use it for connect the Google Voice service too. Additionally, when customer plan to move over long-term trip to overseas countries, probably they don't need expensive basic call plan. So we can offer much cheaper basic call plan as a MVNO's agency. Most of MVNO, such as Lika Mobile, H2O, their call plan are cheaper than ordinary operators one because they don't need to invest or spend money for build or maintain their networks. Our never roam service span both the internet and mobile network. Therefore, strengthening of security of internet segment is very important. Without the security system, hacker can easily wiretapping, intercept or change text message. From a technical point of view, our secret weapon is powerful security system based on QRNG, quantum random number generator. In modern cryptography system, the strength of security depends on the size of key and the encryption algorithm. QRNG, which generate unpredictable natural random numbers, can provide high encryption strength while using smaller key size. From a security point of view, this is tremendous benefit. Our security system plan to using the most recent crypto algorithm with the QRNG technology can make securely transfer voice and text messages for internet segment of Nevorom service. Nevorom is commercial service and under capitalism system, our company need to make money. How can you make money? We charge low fixed USIM hosting fee, that's all. Each customer required to pay 10 to 20 US dollar per month. It's not related with the customer's call plan at all. We can offer to global organization and multinational corporation to reduce international communication costs when they dispatch employees. Plus, we can get a fee from MVNO. We already made a deal with one of the Korean MVNO. According to the UN Population Division's report in 2016, over 240 million people living in the foreign countries. Normally they call migrant. Also, more than 1 million of international students study in foreign countries. And there are few millions of dispatches by multinational corporation, NGO, and international organizations. By narrowing the scope and seeing the Korean market, there are around 7.2 million overseas Korean are registered. It's almost 15% of total population. I know not all of them using roaming service, but why? Because of why roaming service is too expensive. Let's think about it. If they have options such as Nevorom service, so if they could keep their mobile phone number and make call without roaming cost, why not? If we do, we are confident that we will have 10,000 users in the first year of our business. In the next 3 years, we will have 1 million users in US, Korea, Japan, and China. And I hope 12 million users worldwide in 5 years. I'm looking forward to it. We plan to start our Nevorom service in July in this year in Korea. At this moment, we already finished prototyping for proof of concept and building MVP for beta testing for selected business partners such as MVNO, some member of Korean government agency, overseas Korean community too. Let's talk about our team. Our company EXA Network is kind of joint venture of more than 2 companies. I'm a co-founder and CTO of this company. But I also own few of small IT companies developing hardware and software in Korea, Japan, and Hong Kong. In 1996, I started my career as a cryptography developer at one of the biggest bank in Korea, called Seoul Bank. In 2000, I started my own business at a bank as an in-house venture. After then, moved to Ghana, West Africa. I operate small wireless ISP. Then Philippines, Japan, Hong Kong, and so on. EXA Network is my 10th challenges. My dear colleague, Mr. Kim Hyung-seok, is co-founder and CEO of this company. He had held a number of high-tech senior management positions in Korean IT industry over a decade. He began his career at IBM Korea since 1996. Then he held executive position at EMC Korea, SK Telecom, is now Vice President of mid-sized IT company which focused to virtual reality and system integration. Behind of us, there are many of young, talented people backing up this project. As a result, we are ready to do this business through our experience. We are always considering who our customers are, what they want, how to deliver value to our customer, how we sell our service to market, and how we grow. Now, finally, I will tell you why I stand here and finish it. In order to expand the Nevorom service to global scale, we want to cooperate with the global internet messenger service. We already applied the proposal last month to KakaoTalk, which is biggest internet messenger service in Korea, and try to reach to LINE Corp, same as in Japan. But the net neutrality controversy has not been complete in Korea yet. So we have not received a definitive answer till today. I look forward to meeting with people from Facebook, WhatsApp, or Skype. We hope to be able to introduce our service model and possibility to Internet Messenger service based on United States through participation here in Mass Challenge. So I ask to anyone of you here, if you are in charge of the global messenger business or able to introduce Nevorom to them, please contact me.